So I see kind of on a daily basis my clients who, the people I represent, they're in jail. They're waiting with a bond that they can't pay. They're told by a prosecutor that they need to plea now if they want to take the deal. Otherwise, the plea offer's off the table, the charges will rise, and so will the punishment. Every systemic pressure is against them going to trial. And so many times people end up taking a plea deal, and they end up taking a deal to get out of jail, they end up taking a deal to stay with their families, to be able to go back to work, and all that while they end up with a criminal conviction. Until we start having a conversation about the lawyers that represent them and giving those lawyers the resources to actually represent those people, the cycle is going to continue. The cycle is going to continue to happen where our clients come in, take a plea deal, and are out the next day with no support system, nothing additional except perhaps a probation officer watching over their head. And when they make another mistake, a small mistake, they end up back in court. They end up with that same public defender perhaps, but now at a revocation proceeding. They look to their public defender who may have 100 cases. In some jurisdictions, like my friends in Louisiana and Georgia, have 300 to 400 cases. They end up at that revocation hearing where now they're gonna go to jail. But had they had the opportunity back at the jury trial to actually investigate their case, the resources at the public defender office to work with the social worker to get them perhaps the treatment that they so wanted to be a part of, perhaps they wouldn't be at that revocation hearing. Perhaps there'd be a different outcome, and perhaps it'd look more like equal justice.